Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's start a new YouTube tutorial. I will show you here in this tutorial a lot of tips. It will be helpful for you if you want to stream from your PC to YouTube, and if you don't have 1000 subscribers, because if you make it directly from your mobile phone you cannot stream. But if you want to stream something with your cam, a presentation, you can stream from your PC. So I will now give you some tips. Personally, I am using OBS. For me, it's one of the best software to stream directly from your PC. So now I'm going direct in my PC and I will show you on the screen how to make it. I have taken my small channel. You can see this. You can see I have in this channel 156 subscribers. I will show you now how you can stream. First, I suggest you to install OBS. You can just go on google.com, OBS download, for example, and you will see here OBS, Open Broadcast Software, and here you can download if you have Windows, Mac or Linux. It's very easy, OBS download. Okay, now I come back here. When you are in your channel, you have first to take the stream key from your channel. You have to take here, you just click on your logo, right? And after you can go on YouTube Studio. When you are in YouTube Studio, you have here the option create, and you can go live. It's very simple. Okay, the key of your channel is here. You can click, for example, if you want to see this, if you have to copy, or you can just make copy, or for example now I will voila, and now I will reset a key because you have see my key. I copy, and now I'm going on the app. The app is OBS. We have already downloaded the app. I will show you right now. Okay, so I am now on OBS. You can see it's a lot of screen because I stream my screen. For this reason you need you see a lot of screen, but it's not a problem because we're going to work here. It's just to show you the settings. That's me. You can go here on settings. When you are in settings, you have to go on stream, and here you can choose just YouTube, the first one. After you can just here you can delete the old one, and if you make the right mouse you can paste, or you can make Ctrl V to paste the key. That means it's done. You make apply. Okay, and now I will show you. That's me. Now I just make here test live stream. I put here the I just gone back. I show you again. Now it's here. You have to set up your screen name. That's mean the name test live stream. Okay, here I can make the same. If you want to put something, a thumbnail, you can put here the thumbnail, and I'll put the first one. Okay, here if you have a playlist you want to put in the playlist, for example live stream, and after you can put some tags if you want, and the name of the game, for example if you play a game here, but I will make a film and animation, and live chat enable and save. When you do this, that's mean now we have our title, we make the live public, we set all the things, the thumbnail, everything. Now if you go back on your OBS, you just have to make start streaming. I will start now, and after I go back in my screen of OBS of the YouTube, and you can see if I have if I am online or not. So now just start streaming. Okay, you will see here the streaming is on, and after now I just go on the PC. You will see here excellent connection. That means it's good. You can see how much viewers we are, how much likes we are, and here you will see the live chat board. Hello everyone. Okay, and if someone come on the stream, you will see. I can show you, of course, on YouTube. If I go on YouTube, okay, it's just loading. I don't know, maybe it's, I make a lot of things, guys. I make a video, I make a stream. It's maybe too much. Okay, now, hey, Traceless Gaming. Okay, we have someone. We can answer him. We can write him. It's everything okay and fine. And Walaikum Salam, Amina. How are you? And now we just go from here. We can see, because it's not too good. Welcome, Sam. Okay, I'm just, hey pro YouTube, I'm just making a small tutorial, guys. Fan, okay. I'm just making a tutorial how to stream on YouTube if you don't have 1,000 subscribers. Okay, now I am on the page. I will show you my channel, and here you can see I'm test live stream. You can see my picture, how much people are watching, and here you are on the live stream. You can like, you can, okay, so you see I am live. Here I see the message again, Amina. Okay, so it's easy how to live on your PC. Now I am back on the screen, and so it's okay, guys. Hope you have liked this video. Just subscribe to the channel, be active, and we see us soon for some new videos or some new tutorial. Just like, follow, and yes, share. See you soon. Goodbye.